Hi guys, Totallydubbed here, and today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to enable Shadowplay whilst playing Valorant. So it's something I noticed when I was playing, and be it on the record mode or the instant replay mode, they just both wouldn't work. The fix is actually very simple, and it's actually to do with the Nvidia control panel. Now, in terms of accessing Nvidia control panel, it's very simple. Right click on your desktop, access Nvidia control panel. You can see over here I've got Nvidia RTX 2080 Super. Now, once you get to Nvidia control panel, you want to go to manage 3D settings. Default will come to global settings, and then you'll go into program settings. Now over here you will not see Riot Games or Valorant. You'll see all your other programs, but you won't see Riot Games. All that'll be required is for you to press add over here and then find Valorant, which will look like this, and when you add it, it will look like that. So it looks pretty poor as it stands. If for some reason you can't find it, you'll want to browse it, and normally it's a default directory. So in my case, it's C Riot Games Valorant, and then you can see over here finding the exe, which is how you run the game. And then once you add that, you will want to restart your computer and then re-enable Shadowplay. In other words, Alt Z in my case to access Shadowplay, and then re-enable Shadowplay and then launch up the game from standard, and then you should have Shadowplay enabled. And just to prove it, I'm going to show you a nice little 3v1 clutch that I had just yesterday whilst playing ranked. Hopefully this video helped. If it did, make sure you give it a like, subscribe, favorite, share, and all that good stuff, and let me know how you are finding Valorant. Alright guys, I've been TotallyDubbed. Take care and enjoy the clip. Bye bye.
Last player standing.
Go on, peek.
Eliminate.
One enemy.
Last window.
Opponent killed.
Oh my god, dude.
Clutch.
That's
This
pretty nice.
is what I trained for.